Welcome to your short morning yoga practice, all about the abs. No special equipment or even special clothing needed. But do remember to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click the like button to let me know that I'm doing a good job and you want more content like this. Let's begin lying on our backs with our knees bent and our feet flat. Find neutral spine to start. So starting with your legs bent, feet flat, and you'll feel a gentle curve in your low back, pulling away from the floor. Take your low ribs and draw them together and draw them into the floor. Chest is broad, tops the shoulders on the ground. Stretch your arms down by your sides, palms face up. And then allow your eyes to close. Closing your eyes. Breathe in and out through your nose. Cultivating a breath that no matter what we do, you can keep throughout class. Folding your hands together in front of your heart. State your intentions for your practice. Physically, we're strengthening our abdominals, and you'll notice that we're going to be working with prepping asanas that are usually in a different plane, and we're going to prep them from a supine position to assist us in developing the strength and flexibility we need for those asanas. So thinking about all that your abdominals do for you, what do you want to do more of with stronger abdominals? Release your hands back down to your thighs, and if you know your ujjayi breath, that gentle constriction against the back of your throat, start that now. Imagining you're whispering the word ha, except your lips are closed and your teeth are gently parted. And it's a good reminder for as we're going through these asanas here, there might be a tendency for you to clench your jaw or to tighten your neck more than necessary. So focus on that now. And then you can open your eyes or keep your eyes closed for this first bit. So walk your feet out until they're like 90 degrees. And if you don't know where that is, you take your leg, you go, okay, this is 90. And then you just put the foot down and you go, oh, there it is. Another foot can join it. So it can be feet width, hip bone width apart to start here. All right, engage your abdominals before we start. It's less challenging, oddly enough. And then engage your pelvic floor. So outer hips draw in, pubic bone, tailbone draws in. Everything lifts. So you feel this firmness in your lower body. Your legs are strong and active. And then the breathing pattern is going to be exhale to lift up, inhale to go down. So inhale for nothing. And exhale, lift your right leg in the air, knee bent. So just up into tabletop. So just 90. And then inhale with control, lower it down. So we start nice and simple. Exhale, left leg up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, right. Keep it in that 90-degree bend. Inhale to lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. So as we go through more challenging stuff, exhale, lift. And inhale, lower. You can keep with this. Exhale, lift. And inhale, lower. You're keeping your spine in neutral this whole time. Exhale and lift. Inhale and lower, deceptively easy. But this is the work. Exhale, lift. And then inhale, lower, and take a breath here. And at the end of your exhale, reach through your arms, lift your head, lift your heart. And inhale, lower down. So the arms float in the air, stretch. Exhale, lift up. And inhale, lower. So the belly pulls in, exhale, lift. And inhale, lower. And then exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Keep the upper body down now. And again, you can always stay with the alternating legs, otherwise both legs without undulating the spine. Exhale, lift both legs up. Inhale, lower with control. Relax the neck, relax the jaw. Exhale. Inhale, lower. Make sure the shoulders aren't trying to do all the work. And exhale, lift. And inhale, lower. And exhale, lift. And inhale, lower. Let's put that all together. Inhale for nothing. And then exhale, crunch up and bring your legs up. And inhale, lower. Exhale, up. And inhale, lower. So the belly comes down as you exhale and lift. Pulling the knees in. And then inhale, up. More exhale, up. And inhale, lower. Another option, take your arms overhead. So in this one, stretch your arms and then actually bring your arms overhead. Knit your ribs in towards each other because they tend to want to flare and your whole back comes off. So draw your low ribs in and then flow them down into the floor. So the floor is really cool because it tells you where you need to be. All right. Now keep that as you bring your arms overhead. There's the work. And the other thing, we're going to be crunching up, so you don't want to launch yourself as you come up. So as you exhale, crunch up and lift your feet up. And then inhale, come back. And exhale. And inhale. And then exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And then inhale. Exhale your arms down by your sides, straighten your legs. And then again with the knitting of the low ribs, inhale, arms overhead, stretch through your heels. Stretch, stretch, stretch. So that last one you can see, it's the same action as when you're in down dog and you're trying to jump up into Uttanasana, into that forward fold. Exhale your arms back down by your side and take a breath. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic, fun-filled day, and I look forward to working with you again very soon. Namaste.